Hello everyone and welcome to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm going to pop on and show you all what I got from Temu. This is my Temu haul. Woohoo! I know you guys are excited to see what's in this bag. So I'll probably take you all over to the table so you can see it up close. But we're going to talk about some crochet kits. I have loads of them, okay? I think I got some other stuff as well, but the first item I'm going to show you is a sunflower crochet foam bag kit. The first one I got is from KO Buy for $4.94. It comes with a pattern and a video, and the second one is a sunflower crochet foam bag for $10.28, and it's by WordSaw. So let me open these up off camera so it won't be so crinkly, and then I'll show you what's inside. This kit right here says Advanced Beginner for the difficulty level. It's very, very pretty. It gives all of the instructions and also the scan code that can be used. And it comes with a yarn. Right here, it shows you the different stitches, gives you a guide on the type of stitches you'll need to use. Also comes with a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. So if you can use a small crochet hook, this will be right up your alley. Tapestry needle, stitch markers. I love these locking stitch markers. And also scissors. Nice portable scissors to cut your yarn. And I thought that was really worth it. Now, whether or not this is going to be easy to do, you'll have to stay tuned, and I'll try to work that up for you. And I'll let you know whether or not it was worth the money. I had to open up the yarn so you all can get a nice, good view of it. It is plush. Has a nice feel to it, a nice softness. And these are how they're bundled up. There is a beautiful yellow. So this is really, really neat because it has everything that you would need for this project. This second one has two books, and it says DIY Handicrafts Crochet Kit for Beginners. And they also have the little scan code, and it shows you step by step, very clear instructions and tips on how to make this sunflower foam bag. It is also labeled Advanced Beginner, and it has all of the information inside, and it shows you step by step on how to make this. It has the crochet hook, same one, 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. It comes with your locking stitch markers. This one has a steel tapestry needle or metal tapestry needle and more locking stitch markers. They also have a larger set, a medium and large tapestry needle. Very interesting. And this looks like a little bit of stuffing, which was not in the other kit, so that's different. And also some pins. You see these beautiful pins? I love the different colors. There you go, you can get a nice view. So I'm interested to see what those are used for. Now this yarn is soft, but not as soft as that first kit. The first kit I showed if you notice, the yarn is different. It's wound tighter here than this one. These are really, really cute little mini skeins of yarn. And they have the various colors, but the first one is softer. Not that it matters, it's just a phone case. But this is everything that comes with it. So if you're interested, I will put that information up on the screen so you can see. I picked up the Crochet Purple shoulder bag, and it says for beginners. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this one. See all the nice yarn. So yes, it has a nice info insert in here, and it shows how to make the bag. Very, very pretty. It goes into detail on how to put it together. Really interested to see how this works up. Learn to crochet kit it has there for beginners. Has the DIY handicrafts crochet kit for beginners. Information guide, and it walks you through how to put this bag together. In this particular kit, it has 2 crochet hooks in here. It has the needles, and it also has safety pins, locking stitch markers, so many other little things in here. This is by OMGrannySquare, and I paid $17.98 for this. Straight pins, that's why I kept trying to think of the name of it. But this is all of the yarn. This yarn is nice and soft. They give you a lot of it. Look at the little mini skeins. Too cute. Oh, that's pretty green. It's all very nice. Yellow. Here is a large storage organizer. I picked this up for my yarn. It was only $3.17, so I couldn't pass it up. I know you won't be able to see it, but I want to say it's a nice size. It can hold quite a bit. It has a zipper that goes all the way around, and it has handles. So it is very, very nice and convenient. I will be storing some hanks in this. Some knives that needed sharpening, so I noticed that they had the multifunction knife sharpener for $2.49. So I went ahead and picked it up, and I'll have to give it a try and let you know how this works and if it was worth the money. But I love that it has a nice grip. If you're left-handed or right-handed, you can go ahead and run your knives through and sharpen them up. It has a nice smooth base underneath. I picked up a couple of miscellaneous items that I saw. This is a nice Temu bag, And I was thinking that I could probably reuse these because it has the nice little zip right here. And I could probably put some yarn projects in these big bags for the small items. This is what I got. This is so nice. I like how they folded this. I think this is a bathing suit. Oh, it is. I forgot I got this. And I don't have a price, but they have some beautiful sets that you all need to check out at your leisure. I like the Peacock, and you all know that I love blue, so I had to get this one. Very, very pretty. I'll just show you part of the design. It has like ties on each end. Then I think it has a little wrap or something. Yes, this is a skirt. I'll have to show you all on my mannequin or something. But it's a sarong wrap. And I don't have my camera. I apologize. I don't have my camera positioned for you all to see the whole thing. But this is the Peacock. And it wraps around your waist. This is so pretty. It's very lightweight and it's very thin. So it's not really a thick material. It's nice and breathable. And it has that trim of a dark royal blue. Nice tree. And this is the top part with the strings, and then you can just tie that on the side. Last but not least, I got another swimsuit. Well, actually, I got two, but I didn't bring the other one in. I'll show you on another video, but this right here has hearts on it. I'll just show you this design that's very, very pretty. It reminds me of yarn, of course, right? And I love the material, the stretchiness of it. This is well made. So this is one of the sides. You see that yellow? I know I'm not showing it properly, but this is the side, and this is an off the shoulder swimsuit. And then they have another sarong. Yeah, very, very pretty. So I threw that in there. Anybody that's a yarn dyer, this may give you some inspiration on colors and everything for the summertime. And this is the little strap that goes across. So you all stay tuned for how I work up some of these bags. I have so many different things on my hooks right now, so I don't know when I'll be able to get to it, but I'll do my best. Maybe I can show you guys and make it works in progress as well. Oh, I didn't realize this swimsuit right here, the one that's off the shoulder, it has a tie in the back too. You all need to check out their swimsuits. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I did want to mention for Temu, they ship very, very quickly. I did not do the express shipping, but you can do that. I ordered this on May the 25th and I got it on June the 3rd, and it was free shipping. But I did get an email day before yesterday that said it got to me late, so they're giving me a $5 credit. So I just wanted to throw that out there and let you know that Temu ships fast. For those of you that are veteran Temu shoppers, you already know. But I do have an affiliate link. If you're interested, you guys can check out my link in the description box down below and on my other videos as well. Thank you. But thank you for tuning in to Olajola Crocheting Sailor. I appreciate you. Thank you to my members. Thank you to my long-term members, long-time followers, subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you to the new subscribers that have come aboard the yarn ship. I greatly appreciate you all. Remember to live each day as if it were your last. I love you all. Bye.